Suzanne, how many acres do you have here?
160.
And then how many are you farming?
25.
And 25 acres, most of the Sacramento chefs come to you. So you're able to facilitate with 25 acres
Right.
that demand.
Yes.
Yeah, that's very good. That means you're always doing something.
Right.
You're harvesting every day?
Yes.
Great. Now, I love beans and yours are beautiful, and I would love to go down there and you to talk about that plant a little bit. Show us about
Okay.
these. Look at this plant right here. This is beautiful.
Okay.
Oh, look at those.
But these are better.
Now, what are these?
Blue ribbon bush.
These are blue ribbon bush. You gonna try that? It's organic. We can eat it right out of the garden. I love that. Oh yeah, that's delicious. Oh, it's sweet and juicy. Oh, look at that. Sweet potatoes. Yeah, this is really nice. And I see the drip. You really just have the strip irrigation here. Right there. And then these will, so here's the root of the sweet potato. And the tuber's got to be down there somewhere, right?
Yes.
Oh yeah, this is very nice.
Okay.
All right, so we've got beans, we've got sweet potatoes. What else do we have? I see some maybe purple basil over there.
Chiso.
Oh wow, isn't
Red chiso.
that's beautiful. And look at you, it really grows well here, doesn't it?
Yes. So it looks like basil, but it's chiso.
Is it in the same family?
Mm-hmm.
It is in the same family as basil. Okay, this is the tomatillo. And this is in its house before, I call it the tomatillo house. Before it opens up. All right, Suzanne, which is this one?
Green Malabar.
Green Malabar. I've never heard of Malabar spinach. Oh my God, that's so cool. Yeah, thank you. Oh wow.
It's misogynous.
It is, but it's delicious. It's really good. I think that people that perhaps maybe don't like spinach should try this. It's delicious.
Okay.
That's really good. Now, what do you do with the berries
Seed
from
pods?
it? Yeah, seed pods.
I save seed.
And then you'll replant them.
Yes.
Oh my God, this is amazing that you grow this. What chef gets these from you?
All of them.
I bet they do. I bet they fight over this. This is beautiful. These are really pretty.